Hey, you're getting so close to being done with your project. We have today and tomorrow, and then projects are due tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow's when we get to make them all pretty and wonderful. Today, I would like for you to create your works cited page. Okay, that's why it was so important to bookmark your web pages and where you got your information from, because you're going to need it now. Okay, so let me show you a couple of examples of nice works cited pages, and then I'm going to show you how to create yours. Okay, so I pulled up some projects that I had gotten turned in last year, maybe last year. And so I want you to kind of see what these look like. So works cited page, okay, has a title, and then the sources are cited, okay, and we're going to use easybib.com to create those citations. We used to do them all by hand, but there's no reason to really do that when we have a piece of technology to help us. So, and they are in alphabetical order. Okay, the first lines are to the left, and then the lines under that are indented, which is kind of different from what we normally practice when we're paragraphing. Okay, these first words are going to be important, okay, because that's how you're going to go back and tell where you got your facts from. Okay, so these are parenthetical citations, okay, to say this fact came from Boyer, which was the Salem Witchcraft Trials encyclopedia, the World Book Encyclopedia one. Okay, that's from Boyer. This is from history.com. Okay, history.com. She had found an article, Salem Witch Trials. Okay, so each of your fact slides is also going to need to reference back to your works cited page. Okay, this is history, history.com. Okay, so see how she has done that. She did a very nice job with that. Okay, another works cited page, this was about cystic fibrosis. Okay, she had about Dell. Okay, this is when she's talking about the movie, and then this is Levitsky. And then in her fact slides, she has referenced, okay, with that first word, about. Okay, about is there. Levitsky. Okay, Levitsky is there. Okay. All right, and the third one I wanted to share with you, this one, okay, not quite the best example, but that one kind of still works. Okay, so how are you going to create this page? Okay, you're going to need to know where you got your information from, that web address. Okay, so I have one stored in here. This is EasyBib. All I type is in easybib.com for bibliography, even though ours is called Works Cited. Okay, you have pop-ups, which I apologize, but it is free. You're going to create a citation. Okay, so I'm going to click on create a citation. Choose your source. Okay, our source is a website. Okay, all right, now it says cite it by entering the URL or by searching for it. Okay, I have already copied the URL, so I'm going to paste that in there. Okay, then I'm going to hit search. And it takes just a minute. Searching. Okay, so if you scroll down, it found it. World Book Encyclopedia online. Okay, so since it found it, I can click this Cite button. Okay, this is what they found. The article title, the URL, the website title, the date it was accessed. Okay, it says they didn't find the publisher, sponsor, or date published. Okay. All right, it says add anything that you know of. If you knew any of this stuff, okay, if it was somewhere, add it. If not, you hit complete citation. Okay. Then it is a little confusing on where this is at. Okay, now it has popped up. Okay, it takes just a minute. Okay, this is your citation right here in yellow. Okay, so you can either click or you can hit copy, or you can click these three little lines and hit copy. Okay, so I would copy the citation. Okay, and then I'm going to paste it into my works cited slide. Okay, so let me put a text box in here and I'm going to paste that in there. Okay, so my first word, I need to get this to go over. Sometimes you have to hit the space bar and then the tab, or sometimes, or enter, then tab, sorry. So this is a complete citation. My first word is world. Okay, so when I go back to my facts, the ones that came from that source would have world after them. Okay, your fact would be in front of that. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If you have trouble with that, let me know. Okay, so create your works cited page with your three sources, and then whatever your first word is, okay, that gets stuck back in parentheses behind your fact. Okay, and these are alphabetical order. If you need anything else, let me know.